Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Welcome to Taizhou Chengchi Mechanical and Electric Company. Glad to have the opportunity to meet you here. Please let me show the whole series of Chengchi Company product information for you. Thank you. Okay, now let's begin the product introduction. The first type of product we would like to introduce to you is the vacuum cleaner. This series of products has the following features. First, the big hose with heavy suction improves the cleaning efficiency. Second, big copper motor with 2 layers can be lower noise and be quieter. 3. Dry and wet blowing. One machine with multi-functions. 4. Different kinds of brush heads to meet various cleaning needs. 5. Thickened stainless tank, better on corrosion resistant, wear resistant, and long life. 6. Multiple filtration systems, like the filter bag, HEPA filter, to prevent secondary pollution. The product is widely used in kitchen, carpet, floor tile drying, car cleaning, and other places. The second series of products is the high-pressure cleaning machine. This series of products has the following features. First, all copper pump head with big power, lower noise, and stable operation. Second, using ceramic plunger, wear resistant, long life. 3. Double filtering device allows you to find the dirty immediately. 4. All-round multiple protection, leakage protection, overload protection, anti-dry burning, oil protection, and other functions. 5. Multi-purpose, can clean condensation equipment, concrete, metal rust, remove wall paint, wood carving bark, and other places. The third series of products is the foam washing machine. This series of products has the following features. First, fish scale welding process. No off welding, no leakage welding. Second, adopt a high-quality stainless steel material, wear resistant, last less, and long life. 3. Rich and delicate foam effect, even spray, large area, and other effects. 4. Top of the machine has the funnel for convenience application. Okay, according to the brief introduce and sharing, I believe you have a new perspective of us. Any other detailed requirement, you can enter into our live broadcasting and talk with our sales directly. We hope to have a cooperate with you. Thank you.
At last, wish you good health and excellent business.